Welcome back to the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. On this project, I'm finishing up the Toyota project. For the past month, I've been working on this Toyota for a friend. It had been sitting in a parking lot for a few years and was going to get towed away, so we brought it over to my place and put some new tires on it and fixed an exhaust leak. Well, now I've got to get these new tires on so we can send it back across town to be used by my buddy because it's already been snowing a lot this winter. So here we go. I wish I could say everything went well. I got a little injured on this one, but I did get all these tires mounted up. Here's how it went. Welcome back to the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. Oh, it's so bright out here. Okay, it's a snow day. It's super bright out here. I've got to replace the tires, not those tires, the tires on this car. I think that's a spare, because those aren't, that's not the right rim for this car at least, or for those lug nuts. These two are flat, even debeaded. Just from moving it into place. This one's not debeaded, but it's a lot of snow. I don't have a snow shovel. And what to do about all this snow? I think I'm gonna get a normal shovel for now. Alright, I'm excited to give you a sneak peek of this car. This is a few weeks after I finished putting those tires on. It's been driving around a few times. And I'm over here tonight because, again, this is my buddy's car and I'm going to put some nice headlights on for him. This video is sponsored by ROVER Headlights. Here's a look at these high-quality headlights they sent. I'm going to put them on my buddy's car. Alright. Alright, here's the old headlights. Ooh, slippery. Alright, while I get ready to put these headlights in here, let me tell you about them for a second. Having a nice pair of LED headlight bulbs is always a good idea. It can help you see things on the road and avoid accidents. I've upgraded a lot of headlights to LEDs, so I have some experience with these bulbs, and these are honestly some of the best quality ones I've ever dealt with. Ones I've seen before just had really cheap plastic. This ROVER headlight really feels like it's going to last a long time. If you're interested in upgrading your headlights, check out the links in the description and the pinned comment. Having a bright pair of headlights can really make the difference. Thanks again to ROVER, and back to the video. Alright, here's my little tire changer spot. Let's get this area cleaned up. Here's those new tires. Alright, that's good enough to use this. Let's go ahead and get the first tire off. It's low. Alright, I got this first tire off easy peasy. I don't think I'm going to use... Well, yeah, I'll just go get some soap to use as a lubricant to put this on. Don't want to rip any of this rubber. Alright, these tires have an inside-outside. I've got the right one on in the right direction. Let's go ahead and slap that on. I'm going to go get some soap. Body soap works fine, like a body wash gel. Just a little bit in some water. How's our lubricant there? We'll get that on. I'm gonna see if I can slap this on first. That's a little close. Okay, got my little air compressor running in there. Let's hook this up and see if we can get it seated up. Alright, this tire is done. Aired up to 29 psi like the car indicates. That's a nice tire. Let's get another one. tire change. This is no fun. Can't even put my knee on the ground to look. Easy. Easy. Get some of that soap on there because this one's hard. All right, that soap will do the trick. It's starting to come off a little bit easier there. Just let it slip off. So this actually was the spare tire. I popped the trunk real quick and switched this out with the already flat tire. So in total this car had 3 flat tires and was riding on its spare, but I was able to switch those around and I got the new tire on the original rim. Trying to debead this tire is when I smashed my finger scooting it forward onto the machine. It got caught in between the foot and the rim of the tire, so I ended up debeading that with my heel after I got frustrated and didn't want to hurt my finger anymore. It got swapped out real easy and I just did that nice and careful for a few extra minutes. My buddy was super happy I was able to get this done for him. If you liked the video, subscribe and like the video for the algorithm and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you on the next episode of Roadside Rescue. That's a job well done.